Good morning to everyone once again. Okay, in the previous class, we have discussed about the CNC machine. Before the previous class, again means second class, we are discussing the first class is we are discussing the NC machine, and after that, second class we are discussing the CNC machine. Today we are going to discussing the DNC machine. Okay, so before discussing the DNC machine, because I think many of them are absent in the previous class. So for you people, just I would like to explain the CNC machine. This is very important. Okay. Then I'll go for the DNC. Just 5 minutes I'll recall that. Then I'll go for the DNC. Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come here. Come to the point. Okay. CNC machine. Okay. Nowadays, maximum in the mechanical field, mechanical industries, machining, manufacturing field. So we have heard the name is CNC machine. Okay. For our syllabus also having the computer integrated manufacturing subject is there. In that subject we are going to study the robotics, automation, and like these are the new kind of machines we are going to study in the computer integrated manufacturing process. Okay. Then already we are having lab also in the sixth semester, maybe theory as well as lab we are having. Then we we are familiar with the CNC machines, components, and what type of programs is going to be will be applying the programs. Then how we are going to preparing, then for the different operations and all. So what is the program, how program you have to write, everything we know, because we have a theory part as well as the practical part. Okay, 1 minute. Many of them out. Okay, Yogi and Badesali. Okay, Yogi and Badesali. Okay, so CNC machine. CNC stands for computer numerical control. So this is one of the vast applications of the machine. So in this machine we are going to be machining in all the operations. Okay, what are the problems we are going to face in the traditional machining, and what are the problems we are going to face in the NC machine. Okay, so difficult, whatever the geometries. So introduction class are discussed. Okay, briefly I am telling you people, because you people are not present in yesterday class, that's what I am telling. So just I am going to be a revision. Okay, revise other things. Okay, what we are going to discussing in the yesterday. Okay. See here, CNC machine means we know that. So because it is a difficult geometry of the machine process also can be done here. Okay, and all the different operations, whatever the difficult, what we are going to face problems in the NC machine as well as the lathe machine. You can call it the traditional machine that means you can able to do in the CNC machine. Okay, so that applications. Okay, and advantages, and what is the block diagram of the CNC machine. So everything will be very important for your examination point of view. If they may exam in the exam, they may ask 7 to 8 questions. Explain CNC machine with mention its advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So this is very important. Please mute. Please mute. Okay. Please mute your sound. Disturbing is happening. Okay. Don't disturb. Okay. I would like to start with the slide. Okay. CNC machine, it is described as a machine which is used to control the motions of the workpiece and tool. Very important point. I'll repeat once again. CNC machine is described as the machine. Okay, described as a machine which is used to control. So this machine we are going to using for what? Used to control the motions of the workpiece and tool with the help of prepared a program by the computer. So nothing in that. So just I means in the for the easiest way I would like to explain you people to understand better. Okay, so whatever the lathe machines we are doing in the operations, in the machine shop lab we are having the lathe machines and drilling machines. Okay, milling machines, everything, gated cutters, everything will be done in the machine shop operations. Okay, machine shop lab, that we are doing all the operations in the manually. Okay, but CNC, when it comes to the CNC, here the one computer is there. The computer we are going to preparing the program. Once it feed into the computer connected into the servo motor. The servo motor is going to be connected to the machine tool. Okay, machine control unit. That it will happen step by step. So here the what we are going to producing the machine, what the material removal process is there, it is happened because of the machine. Means without human effort, absence of human, we are going to producing the component. That is the main machine is called as CNC machine. I hope you understand. Okay, with the help of computer we are going to producing the component that we called as a CNC machine. That machine is called as a CNC machine. Okay, so here the first slide is means control the motions of the workpiece and tool. Okay, so whatever the tool and workpiece we are going to be controlling with the help of that machine. Okay, then we are going to be preparing the program also. Okay, with the help of that computer. So this is I can able to say that this is a CNC machine. Okay, shall I move forward to the second slide? Block diagram CNC machine. Maybe in the exam they may ask, okay, you have to write this diagram. Here you can able to see here red color block is there. Okay, that rectangular block is called as a mini computer. I can call as a computer, and servo system is there. Okay, and this is a feedback system is there. You can see the arrow mark, and this is a CNC machine tool, and here the brown whatever the blue color is there, this is a finished product. Okay, so this is a block which components, okay, of the CNC machine. The first one is computer, second one is servo system, and third one is a CNC machine tool. These are the three important components in the CNC machine. Maybe chances 90% of chances are there for the exam, main exam they may ask about the block diagram of CNC as well as components of CNC, advantage, disadvantage, applications. We'll move forward to the second slide. Next slide we would like to discuss the components of the CNC machine. The first component is I say that computer, or you can call it as a mini computer. Okay, so computer, the first part, very important computer part is CPU. Okay, central processing unit. This is a very important component of the CPU in the computer. The CPU is the heart of the CNC machine. Actually, CPU is the heart of the computer, but I mentioned here the CPU is the heart of the CNC machine. Why? Because today I'm talking about CNC machine. Because CNC machine, the role, important part is computer. So that's what I mentioned, that CPU is the heart of the CNC machine, or you can call it as a computer also. It consists of motherboard, RAM, ROM, PLC. Means you know that everything, because it consists of motherboard, means RAM means random only memory, random access memory, and random only memory. Okay, then PLC means program logical control. Okay, these are the everything, basic things you know that. Okay, PLC means program logical control. The part program stored in a memory. This program data is decoded and transformed into a specific position, control and velocity signal by PLC, and sent it to the servo motor through the servo amplifier. The function of the CPUs, the work of the CPUs, what will happen, whatever programs you are going to be run, what program you are going to preparing, that you have to feed into the computer or can store into the computer. If you want to run the computer, what will happen, it going to be converted. So whatever the position of that converted, whatever that hard electronics devices are there, that going to be converted into the mechanical action. It's sent to the servo motor, because servo motor is going to be connected in the second part. We'll move forward to the servo motor. So you can able to see here one more time, servo motor is here. Servo motor is here. Here the thing is that computer is whatever the program you want to type it, what the program you want to preparing, storing, everything will be possible. All the feed means whatever the thing is that you have to do it in the computer. After doing this, we want to transport or we want to translate whatever the program is converted into means I need to cut the material in that format, we have to send it. So here the whatever the software you are going to use, whatever the capstar and cast mill, okay, we are going to use for the CNC, then again send into the servo motor. Next we would like to see that how the servo motor is going to be work. This is the second component of the CNC machine. Servo motor is please carefully listen. Servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with a great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angle or distance, then you use servo motor. Okay, servo motor main function is that it is one electrical device, okay, which is push or rotate. So whatever the object is there, it may be a tool, it may be a workpiece. Okay, if you want to rotate in any direction, any angle, any distance, so that whatever the movements of the workpiece and tools will be happened because of the servo motor role. So servo motor function is that it is the main, this is one kind of electrical device which can push or rotate the object. Please remember it very nicely. One means very shortly what to remember it. And next, It is just made up of simple motor which run through the servo mechanism. So how the servo motor is going to be moved, how the servo motor is going to be run, because of the servo motor mechanism, or you can call it as a servo motor amplifier. I hope you understand. Shall I go for next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So third point is very important. I will come to the here. So this whatever the portion is the green color. Okay. So this we call here purple, and this is a tool. Okay. So this operation comes under the third component of the CNC machine, that is a machine tool. Come to the slide, you will get a brief, detailed idea about the whatever machine tool, machine control panel. In the third slide, with a brief explanation, I came with the very easiest form of the explanations. Come to the first point. The third basic component of the CNC machine is machine control panel. Okay, this control panel function is what? How this machine control going to be work? Okay, that points we have to understand today. Okay, the second point is it consists of a screen and keyboard. Okay, I would like to I'll show the control panel. I will show. Okay, so this is, you can see here in the next slide, control panel will be there separately. I'm going to be think showing the control panel, and this is whatever the what we are going to discuss in the previous slide, that is a servo motor. If anybody have confusion, anybody have doubts of the servo motor, you can see here cable is there, you can plug pins are there, you can going to be inserting from that device to this device. Okay, this is a servo motor. And you come to the second diagram, second image is called as a control panel. You can able to see here clearly. Okay, come to the explanation. It consists of a screen and keyboard. Okay, that panel is having different knobs, buttons. Okay, and numerical, alpha, everything will be there consistent, and that whatever the keyboard as well screen will be display. If you want to run, if you want to type the any different kinds of programs, okay, for the different operations, you can able to do it. Okay, and comes to the third point of the machine control panel working, I think role. A control panel is a flat. This point is going to be very important. The control panel is flat, often vertical area where control or monitoring instruments are displayed. Okay, so whatever that control panel is, it is look like a flat. Okay, means it already shown in the image also, that is going to be comes in the third point. The fourth point is it is an enclosed unit. Okay, that is the part of a system that users can access, such as the control panel of the security system called as control unit, and feed rate and coolant supply. Okay, so before preparing the program, whatever the specification data are there, okay, requirements are there, we will make a list. Then we have to, as per the dimensions, which material at what type of the operations, everything will come to know that. Then whatever the rate, feed rate, coolant supply will going to be entered in the screen. That is the third part is machine control unit. And machine control panel is going, one more very important role is that actually here the raw material is converted into finished product in the third component only. In the third component, actually the raw material is converted into finished product. It happen in the machine control unit. This machine control panel or machine control unit is going to be fully handover controlling by the servo motor. Servo motor is whatever the information is receiving from the computer. So these are the three important components of the CNC machine. This class already we are discussing in the previous class. Because of many students are absent, because of you people, again I am going to be revising the things. Okay, I will not don't want to waste the much time over here. I think very easiest concept will be there here. I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, in the exam, definite questions will comes. If explanation also comes, means you have to mention the advantages and disadvantages and applications of the machines. At least few points are we have to mention. Then a very important slide I am going to discussing today. Okay, that is advantage of CNC machine. Okay, so machining is accurate. Whatever the machine we are doing, accurate means, this accurate means how we are going to comparing to the NC machine and lathe machine. So compared to these two machines, CNC machine, whatever the final product you are getting, that machining is very accurate. Okay, why? Because there is no human error and all. Okay, human, I think if they're doing sometime human, So in the 100 out of 10 or the 1 will be means something will happen, but in the machine 100% accuracy you will getting in the CNC machine, like different machines are there. We are getting the machining is accurate in the first time. Second time is time taken to perform a job is very less. Here, if you want to produce the product, okay, if you want to do the material removal process, okay, any operations, time is very less, because if you set the program, then close the whatever, close that whatever the things sliding door is there, fix it, then automatically it will going to be run within short of time. The product will going to be produced. Okay, that is the meaning of the second point. And safe to operate. Okay, even comes to the lathe machine and comes to the lathe machine, here there is no any kind of protecting things, because nothing glass, nothing slide door, nothing will be there. But in comes to the CNC machine, sliding door will be there, whatever the coolant, okay, oil, and whatever the means you can metal chips, and it will not come outside, okay, from the machine, because of that reason we are going to be means designed in the way of such a way that the sliding door will be cover the everything, should not harm, should not affect to the operator. Okay, come to the fourth advantage. Number of operators required to operate a machine are reduced. Okay, here means the meaning of this point, there is no need much labors over here. It is actually laborless job. Okay, without human effort, without labor we can't able to, because in the big industries, okay, other countries also, one person can maintaining the two machines, two, okay, if depending upon the operations, not all the operations, okay, depending upon operations, even India also today they are using one labor can maintaining the two machines, means here that point is required to operate machines are reduced. And the next point is no possibility of human error, because human error will be not matter over here. If anything goes, I think 100% achievement is good or something wrong, it is not a effort, is not a reason of the human, because here the responsibility of human error is zero here. Okay, only the thing is that how the program you are going to set, that is important here. If the for that purpose a skilled person is needed, okay, knowledgeable person is needed for the once program is set, then after that you can produce crowd together products without any skilled person. Okay, and even a very complex design can also be made. Okay, here very difficult or different complicated whatever that is not possible in the NC machine and lathe machine, you can able to design or you can able to produce the component over here, and less maintenance, low maintenance required. Okay, maintenance cost is less. Okay, because as per the whatever the requirement program, the tool whatever the material removal process happen, according to that coolant is also going to separate. Okay, then labor is less, because of that reason I will say that low maintenance required. I hope you people are understanding the advantages of CNC machine. Think very easy are there. Okay, you people are understanding very easily. Okay, don't want to waste much time on the simple things. Okay, we'll go for the next slide. Okay, you can take any machines, I think lathe machine or NC machine and CNC machine. So limitations will be there. Okay, what are the limitations of the CNC machine that we are going to discussing? The first point is, the first limitation of the CNC machine is the cost. The CNC machine are more expensive and require a greater initial investment than machine that can be operated manually. So whatever we are going to did in the machine shop lab, that machines we are going to use. Okay, different machines. Okay, drilling machines. Okay, as well as lathe machines we are going to use. That machine's cost is less, so this CNC machine cost is more. Okay, this is the first limitation. And comes to the second point of the limitation of the CNC machine. Sorry, the CNC machine is skills loss. Here, if you start to use, you could just give the one comparison and lathe machine and CNC machine. Lathe machines, if you want to operate, a skilled person, knowledgeable person is needed. If you want to run the CNC machine only program purpose, then skilled person is needed. Means I can say that only 30% of the percentage of the skill is needed. Once it is program is prepared, then 70% of the whatever the remaining after that, once it after computer start running the program, then there is no need in a skilled person. That's what I mentioned, that skill loss. Okay, that comes to the next slide, because very simple concept is there, don't want to waste much time. Come to the third one is important the point important concept. First one is NC machine working, block diagram, application, advantages and all. And second point is CNC machine advantage, applications, working, block diagram. And third point is comparison between CNC machine and NC machine. There are chances of the main exam from the VTO as well as the IA point of view. I am telling this question is very important, comparison of CNC machine as well as numerical control machine. If you understand CNC machine and NC machine comparison, okay, if definitely you will write the explanation working of the CNC and NC machine, because you will understand the comparison, means you people are clear understand the comparison, then you will be able to write in the this question will cover the two questions. This is whatever I am going to discuss in comparison is going to cover the previous slides also. Okay, so here one by one I would like to explain. Okay, first comparison. In the NC machine, the modification in the program is difficult. Okay, so numerical control machine, okay, the modification means what will happen. I said that in the first class, only introduction class, I said that in the NC machine is working open loop control system, and CNC machine is working closed loop control system. I hope in the first class we are discussing the what is the open loop control system and the closed loop control system also we are going to discussing with the example. One more time again I am telling that NC machine it is a open loop control system, CNC machine is a closed loop control system. Controls in the closed loop feedback system will be there. Okay, in the NC machine there is no any feedback system will be not there. Okay, come to the first point. In a NC machine the modification in the program is difficult as compared to the CNC machine. The modification in the program is very easy. So here if suppose the programmer, okay, according to if suppose sometimes will happen, not all the times, sometimes what will happen, something whatever the dimensions, okay, whatever the depth of cut, okay, revolution, whatever things, if you want to change it in the before producing the component, already you run the program, okay, it is already saved in the computer. If you want to change, do anything before producing the component, it is possible in the CNC, but it is not possible in the NC machine. This is the first comparison I would like to say. Okay, the first comparison is very important, please remember it. Okay, I hope you understand. Modification in the program is difficult in the NC machine, easy modification in the CNC machine. Okay, this is how the CNC machine compared than the NC machine. Okay, second point, we will move to the second point. The NC machine is required for a highly skilled operator. Okay, the NC machine is required for a highly skilled operator, whereas in the CNC machine a less skilled, okay, operator can also operate the machine. Okay, in the from the start from this model I am going to explaining this only. The CNC machine, numerical control machine, is required a highly skilled operator. Okay, then here whereas in the CNC machine a less skilled operator can also be operate in the machine. Okay, so this you have to mention here, the less skilled operator is needed. Okay, nothing work will be there in the CNC machine, just you have to remove the workpiece and fix the workpiece, that's all. Okay, and come to the third point, third comparison. The cost of the NC machine is less as compared to CNC machine. The cost of the machine is very high. CNC machine cost is more than the NC machine. Okay, so this is also one comparison. Okay, we comes to the fourth point. In NC machine the programs cannot be stored in the NC machine. Okay, so there is no chance to store the NC machine, because NC machines don't have any kind of memories don't have anything, because it's a NC machine don't have any CNC machine is having a memory, because it is having a computer. Okay, so we know that CNC machine is the possibilities of store the program, and if you want to can editing the program, everything will be possible. When it comes to the NC machine, there is no chance of storing the program, okay, in the NC machine, that you have to remember it. In the NC machine, program cannot be stored in the NC machine, whereas in the CNC machine the programs can be stored in computer and used repeatedly. So if you want to For example, today and another 10 days after, 15 days after a month, if you want to run the same program, it will be available for you people. You can use repeatedly, not month only. You can use for the year wise also, no problem. For the just if you want to change the operations and fewer operations, you run it. It is also possible in the CNC machine. That is not, that case is not possible in the NC machine. Please keep in mind. Okay, and comes to the next slide. Okay, in the NC machine, the accuracy is less as compared with the job where the CNC machine has high accuracy. The very simple way you have to mention it, CNC machine is having a high accuracy, NC machine is having a less accuracy. Okay, next comes to the 6th point. The NC machine requires more time for the execution of the job as compared to the CNC machine. It takes very less time in the, nothing in that, don't difficult words and complicated. Okay, anything else. NC machines require more time. Okay, whatever the time taken for producing the job is taken, time is more in the NC machine. Time taken to producing the job is less in the CNC machine. This I would like to say the comparisons. I think 5 to 6 comparisons, main comparison I am going to discussing. Even still many comparisons are there. Okay, please you have to go through the whatever the notes I have sent. Okay, then you have to see about the block diagram of CNC, components of CNC, application advantage, and as well as CNC NC machine also. And how you going to comparing, what is the block diagram difference in the NC machine, CNC machine, applications, what is the difference, everything you have to compare it yourself. Okay, and you have to understand the concept. Okay, please if anybody not understand, please contact me. Okay, I hope you people understanding the comparison of CNC and NC machine. Barmani, Ningappa,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding the comparison? Are you understanding clearly? Huh?
Okay, sir. Understand.
There is no doubt, no? Because very simple it is. Yes or no? Huh? Huh? Barmani?
Sir,
Yes.
hello. Sir,
Hello, Barmani.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ದಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಸರ್.
ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಂತೇಶ್? ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಮಾಂತೇಶ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಂತೇಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟುಡೇ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್, anybody is having problem?
No, sir.
No problem. No? Shall I move forward to the next slide? Okay.
Okay.
So here, very important concept. Okay, I think in this model, okay, the 5 question chances are there. Only how much questions? 5 questions will comes. Out of 5, 2 for your fixed question for your exam. The first question is NC question, numerical control machine, advantage, application, working, block diagram. Okay. Second question is CNC machine, CNC working, CNC block diagram, components, application, advantage. Third one is direct numerical control. This is today I am going to discussing the new topic and telling that the direct numerical control. And fourth question is distributed numerical control. Network is there, distributed network we have to explain. And last one is automation. These are the 5 questions in the CNC, NC and DNC machine. This question, if you perfect, if you prepared well, there is 100 marks. Here in this model choice are there, you will able to answer both the questions. Like that you will prepare, means if you prepare in the well manner, if you understand the concept, you will be able to achieve, you will going to be write the both the questions you will able to write in here. So anyhow we have a choice will be there. So out of 2 questions you have to answer any one question. So for that you have to prepare in the whatever I am going to prepare in slides is enough for you people. If you want more information about the slides concept and all, so please go through my notes as well as whatever I am going to prepare in the slide. It's good for you, it's helpful for you people. So don't want to waste the much time about that whatever regarding things. We'll come to the new topic, direct numerical control. Okay, in the short form we will call as a DNC. Okay, direct numerical control. It's how it is different to the CNC, then how it is different to the NC. Okay, Then how it is more advantage than the CNC as well as the NC, we have to understand clearly with the help of the DNC numerical control machine. Have you heard anywhere in the DNC machine? I think in our 4 years engineering, have you heard anywhere DNC machine? Please, Barmani, Mantesh.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
I think new concept for you people. Okay, direct numerical control. Okay, I would like to show the block diagram, you people will understand. Okay, then I will start explaining. So this is a block diagram of the DNC machine. Nothing in that. When it comes to the block diagram, I would like to explain. First, I would like to explain the theory part. Okay, so here another name of the DNC is distributive numerical control. It is a technology that allows a single computer to be networked with one or more machine that use computer numerical control. I'll repeat once again, very important topic. Distributive numerical control. It is a technology that allows a single computer to be networked with one or more machine that use computer numerical control. Means NC machine is having one computer. Here the difference of the DNC and CNC is, in the CNC machine only one CNC machine, one computer. Means one computer in the sense, in the CNC machine itself by default it is having a one monitor, means one control panel will be there. But in the when it comes to the DNC machine, one computer, that computer we call as a host computer. So in the slide you can see here, this is a host computer, and here the NC programming, and connected to the three different, not exactly three, you can connect number of machines also. In the slide I can say that three different machines. Okay, CNC machines means very, I think you will get something confusion and difficulty in that. Yes or no? How it possible to run? Only one computer, one machine is okay. Here only one computer is there, three machines going to be run. Yes, obviously this technique will be there. Okay, this technique is going to be more helpful in the big mass production companies and batch production companies. Okay, distributed numerical control is a technology that allows a single computer to be networked with the one or more machines. Okay, that use computer numerical control. Okay, what will happen here? How we are going to connect networking from one computer to other computers, no? So like that, here only one computer we are going to use, and we are going to connect in the three. If suppose for example three machines we are going to connecting, then next question is going to be arise, sir, how the program is going to be set, then how the operation is going to be connected, either whether it is the operations will be going to be continuously in the at a time or one after the other, nothing like that. So at a time you can able to run the machines. Okay, like that you have to see the DNC machine is means going to be manufacturing. Okay, only one program, one computer you can run all the three different machines, different operations. Please clear this concept. If you clear this concept, there is no doubt, means there is no question going to be arise in the next slide, because this is a very important. If you understand the DNC, then it's good for you. Okay, there is not, means if you not understand, then question going to be arising by the next slide. Okay, so DNC, I think, I hope you clearly understand the DNC. Distributive numerical control is allows multiple operation in multiple machines. Okay, with the help of single hosting computer. Means second point is very clear. Here the one hosting computer is there. Okay, here allows multiple operation in multiple machines. Here going to use three machines, three operations will be at a time we are going to doing in the operation in the DNC machine, that is called as a distributed numerical control machines. And comes to the third one. Okay, in a DNC machine, machining rate is 3 times more than the CNC machine. Obviously, because for example, means for your understanding point of view, I am going to mentioning this point. If suppose 1 minute for one component in the one CNC machine, obviously here 3 machines are there, so 3 components we are going to producing. Okay, so one of the easiest concept to understand. Okay, I hope you people are understand clearly the DNC machine, direct numerical control machine. You people are understanding clearly. These 3 points are understanding, not understanding?
Understood, sir.
Okay, I would like to Eknath understanding, no? Eknath.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The thing is that concept is that one computer three machines are there. Three machines we are going to run in at a time in a different operations. Please keep in mind that's all. That is the main DNC. Okay. So here comes to the block diagram. Okay. Come to the block diagram. Here, see here, host computer is there. Okay, that computer connected to the depend machine control unit. Machine control units are three machine control units are there. So this is actually a, see here, control, this is actually going to be work will be done in the here. Here we are going to producing raw materials converted into a finished product here. Okay, so I would like to explain the components of the things, whatever the DNC and all. So here the time is very short. Okay, so I would like to stop the class today here only. Okay, then tomorrow I will came with again tomorrow I will discuss with the working of the DNC and whatever the networking and possible automation also. Okay, those who are attending the today class, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much for the attending class. Today is the more number of students are there. Okay, I am very happy. And one more thing, please, I think few of them are submitted the assignment. Okay, others please submit the second assignment also. If anything problem you facing, okay, if you have anything problem you facing, please contact me. Okay, few of them are contacting me, sir, that notes is you have to send, this notes you have to send. Okay, please you have to approach me. Okay, one more thing, please understand the concept. If you not clearly understand, please contact me. Don't hesitate to ask anything. Okay, then one more thing, you have to be prepare the syllabus. Okay, be ready for the examination. Okay, very short time will be there. Okay, I'm not means already you people are know that, yes or no? Then you have to regularly attend all the classes. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks to everyone for the attending classes today. Okay, continue this spirit to the next also. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to end the class today. Huh?